Why did my brother fall? A tribute to Hussain Chaudhry. Young 18, so as law no more. An angel is how your sister described you, my bro. And what of your mother? No words, just a deluge of tears. Wishes, aspirations, hopes dissipate. You'll always remain in our thoughts and prayers. May no mother suffer the pain of a son passing her arms, yet may every son get the honor of his mother's arms. What a mighty test! But in pain and loss our only words. To you, O Allah, we belong, and to you, O Allah, is our return. Forgive me if I fail, my brother, cause spoken word is not my thing. But I had to reach out to our kin. Perhaps in these words they may ponder and think. We got to reflect and ask, so why did my brother fall? Why is it that you are no more? How many before? And how many yet more? And for what a miserable price did they all fall? I don't want a scapegoat, I want the true cause. So follow me as I explore. Trust me, it's not a black, white or a brown thing. Neither Asian, Bangla or an East European thing. It's not a London, Luton or a Leeds thing. A knife, gun or any other thing. My bros, you gotta understand the wider vice. The fuel which creates such madness and spite. It's the society, its beliefs and systems that have gone mad. No ethics, values or reference to God. Its deity is the pound, the only thing. Poor, sign on or council fella. It still has to be the latest iPhone, console or whatever's in. Skint, no job, food, rent, heat or gas doesn't matter. You still got to cover your skin with Gucci, Prada, Armani and thing. The mantra is me, myself and more. This pound makes some push drugs and others wanna be thugs. Overnight stealer, dealer, gangster and wanna be leader. Are you then surprised that people fall? It's high time for a readdress. My fellow being, my Muslim youth, upon these words you gotta ponder. You gotta refuse to be the slave to the pound or their corporate structure. You gotta refuse to follow their gods of lusts, whims and desires. You gotta refuse to prostrate to Iblis, his men or labels in different forms and guise. Be you being the true worshipper of the only one true God, who put you here for a purpose well defined. Your honor lies in knowing your true purpose. Who, what, why can you answer? Know your home, your goal, your ultimate destination, paradise. Recognize your cause, your honor lies in Islam. My message to you, my fellow being, is to realize, to refuse, don't be a player, refuse to play the game. Set a new game, be the rule maker, be the game changer, Islam. You're the sons of Ali, Fatih and Qasim, Arthur al-Ghazi, Karra Usman and Salah al-Din. Not Dr. Dre, Eminem or Tupac Shakur. I have spoken my words, it's up to you to make and bring about change. I pray, may no brother fall again. I pray, may no sister or mother grieve like this ever again.